Shit. Hey man, we finna go ahead and get to this little Durk IKEA rug reaction, man. I ain't never heard of it, but it did just come out what 2 days ago. I ain't listened to it or none of that. Hey man, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next. Hey, like the video, even if you don't like it, you still like it. Remember that. I always show support. Into this,
Told my brother you catch that nigga who did, I give you a ransom. Told that bitch to bring her friends, I bring my friends, we link in Atlanta. Whole little bro go beat this case, they don't really see that.
Fuck you say? Lincoln where? Atlanta. Guessing I give you a ransom. Oh man, hold up. I gotta actually pay attention to detail.
Told my brother you catch that nigga who did, I give you a ransom. Told that bitch to bring her friends, I bring my friends, we link in Atlanta. Whole little bro go beat this case, they don't really see that shit on camera. You gotta worry about who got the up first, and my cousin died with his hammer. Only reason I've got all that shit, they fucking with them scammers. He just hit a lick in Miami for all them bricks, he Montana. Where I'm from, we go off body counts, we gon' go off bandanas. I didn't give him all them guns and drills, bitch, I think I'm something. All I see, a real nigga in the mirror. All I see, a lot of robbers and some killers. All I see, a bunch of niggas.
Singing ass.
Bunch of killers, yeah. False flagging, throwing up different gangs and shit. Hope when they get called, them niggas never bring up names and shit. Open cases, hang around them killers.
Damn, hope them niggas ain't no snitches, bro. Hey, you gotta know who you riding with, bro.
False flagging, throwing up different gangs and shit. Hope when they get called, them niggas never bring up names and shit. Open cases, hang around them killers, knowing it's dangerous. That's the only thing I hate that's coming with this famous shit.
Damn.
Summertime, I be fucking.
This shit hard.
You can't deny these niggas claiming all them bodies. I can't lie, if I go broke, I'm catching rides.
Turn me up.
But I can never give a pop. Slow down, better watch that boy, he low down. And I heard that he be shooting 2-3 switches when he go down. He used to walk around with a paint gun, I'm happy that he pro now. Sucking dick like she a pronoun, but I told that bitch to slow down, she a low down. I record with an off-white mat from IKEA. Paranoid, we just gon' ride around till we see him.
I was wondering why he called it IKEA rug. Finally said something about IKEA. I ain't never been to IKEA before. I seen it for the first time not too long ago. That bitch huge as a motherfucker. I thought Sam's Club was big. Shit, that motherfucker serious. I ain't never been in there, never shopped there, never even looked at their website.
He be shooting 2-3 switches when he go down. He used to walk around with a paint gun, I'm happy that he pro now. Sucking dick like she a pronoun, but I told that bitch to slow down, she a low down. I record with an off-white mat from IKEA. Paranoid, we just gon' ride around till we see him.
This shit hard.
These niggas tryna steal ideas. Check the score, them niggas crying all of my DM, yeah.
My nigga said like one thing about IKEA, and that motherfucker's called IKEA. It's smooth, it's smooth, it's smooth. Yeah. Damn. Before he fell off. Niggas with these garbage lyrics. He's your inspiration. I feel so bad for the game today, allowing these watered down rappers to find temporary success before becoming extinct. But shit, what the fuck you doing then? Not everyone gonna like someone's music. Bet you listen to Lil Drop Top. So fuck it. Hey man, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next, man. Like this beat, even if you don't like it, you still like it, man. I'm about to get out of this, man, cause it was smooth though. It's straight. It's hard as fuck. He wasn't really talking about nothing, but it was hard. That bitch car worthy, of course. And then they got that If I got that yomp in my fucking head set, I can imagine what that bitch gonna sound like in a car. But hey, man, we out this bitch.